everyone. So today we are going to be doing a Bath & Body Works haul, and no, it is not semi-annual sale time, but it is coming up soon. And you guys know I have vowed to only purchase from Bath & Body Works during their semi-annual sales, but I have made a little bit of a carve out for that because I will only allow myself to buy from Bath & Body Works as long as it's on sale. And yes, I'm a little late to the party, but today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing the Bath & Body Works Bridgerton collection. I died when I saw that this collection was coming out, and I was like, okay, you've got to resist, you've got to resist, you've got to resist. And I resisted for several weeks until actually Easter Day. I just randomly happened to just get on Bath & Body Works, and they had all of the Bridgerton collection on sale. So I swooped it up. I got everything that I could that I wanted, and you guys, this is such a top-notch collection. So let's just get into it and let me share with you guys everything that I got. So first things first, I just could not resist the Wallflower plugins from this collection. I only have one that I use, and you know, I don't really get into like the whole decorative, like swapping them out and kind of thing. I just use one and that's it. But these just spoke to me and I couldn't resist. So first off, I of course have the little teacup one. This one is just so adorable. I could not resist it. The regular price of this is $19.95, which is pretty pricey when you think of it. It's just like a little plug-in thing, but I was able to get this on sale for $11.97. So I was like, you know what? I think I can swing that. And I love the color of it. I love the design of it. Amazing. Immaculate, beautiful. So I got that one, and then I also saw the little crown one that they had, and I just couldn't resist it either, so I ended up getting that one. This one was originally $16.95, but I got it on sale for $10.17. Kind of feel like this one might be nice like in a bathroom, and I think maybe I'll do this one in my kitchen. Then next up, I decided to pick up the hand sanitizer pack because it came with all 5 of the scents, and I got that for $4.80, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. And now I have all of the scents. So there is the Bridgerton Diamond of the Season, there is the Wisteria Garden, next is Danbury Shortbread, then we have Queen Charlotte's Tea, and then finally we have Bridgerton Study. So I did get all of the hand sanitizers as well as the candles. Those were on sale. The packaging of these are just beautiful, but not only the packaging, the scents of these are amazing, which is such a relief because I'm not gonna lie, I did do a blind buy on these. I could have gone to Bath & Body Works and like smelled them all before, but I just don't do that. I do blind buys all the time, and I know it's a risky kind of thing to do, but I don't know, I've never had anything horribly go wrong with blind buying certain scents, so I decided to do that again, and I did get all of the candles, and let me tell you guys, every single one of these scents are just amazing, delicious to die for. There was not a single scent that I did not like, and I'm very relieved at that. But also, you guys, I think I might have found my all-time favorite Bath & Body Works scent ever in this collection. So let's figure out which one it is. So starting off, the first one I have here, this one is the Diamond of the Season candle. This is just so beautiful, so striking and stunning. I love the like custom lid on here. It's a little bit different from the other ones in the collection, and this just looks so pretty. I feel like it's gonna hurt me to burn this because I just want to keep these beautiful and pristine forever, but that doesn't make any sense. That's not what they're for. So I have to like kind of break that habit for me with some things that I buy, and I just feel like they're too precious to use, and that's something I'm really working on. So I will absolutely be burning these, but just know that a little piece of my heart will be breaking. This is just such a delicious scent. The notes of this one is sparkling peach, absolutely, I'm getting that, spring daffodil, and radiant jasmine. It's so nice how the floral notes of this one are not overwhelming. Really, the peach is what is so strong. It really kind of reminds me of the peach Bellini scent, but just like almost a little bit more intense, which I love. And this one's just absolutely delicious. This is gonna be a perfect summery, like spring into summer kind of scent. So I'm all about this one. This is delicious. I feel like you can't go wrong with this scent. Next up, we have Queen Charlotte's Tea. I love this packaging on here. This is just A+. Whoever did this, you did wonderful. Absolutely, you knocked it out of the park. So for this one, I describe this one as like a fresh, clean, earthy kind of scent. And this is not really a scent I would typically go for, so I'm so glad that I did do a blind buy for it because this is actually so nice. The notes of this one is rich bergamot, bold citrus, and black tea leaves. The black tea leaves are really the main one in here. I do get just a hint of the little citrusy notes with the bergamot and the citrus, but the black tea leaves is really what is so strong on this one. It's so nice. It's probably one of the nicest like tea kind of scent candles I've ever tried. So I was very pleasantly surprised with this one. All right, so next up we have this one called Bridgerton Study. This is of course perfect if you are wanting more of like a masculine, warm, woodsy kind of scent. This one is for you. Once again, they absolutely knocked it out of the park on this one. The notes are smooth amber, oak wood, and dried orchids. And the dried orchids note is so nice because it gives it just that ever so slight kind of like sweet feminine floral, but then the amber and the oak wood is really kind of like the base of the scent, and it just kind of gives you that warm, masculine with just a hint of a little bit of floral, and they did wonderful on this scent as well. All right, you might be wondering which one is going to be my all-time favorite. So I've got 2 scents left. I'm going to save my absolute favorite for the end, which means the next one is Wisteria Garden. Now you guys, if you are familiar with me, I am typically not a floral person, but this has to be probably one of my favorite floral scent combinations ever. This one is so delicious and fresh and clean and floral all at the same time. I really enjoy this one. The notes of it is sweet rosewood, English rain, and lemon petals. I would have expected wisteria to be one of the notes in here as well, but this one just is absolutely the kind of like unicorn floral scent that I didn't know was what I prefer when it comes to florals. Like, I don't really love like the white florals like gardenia or magnolia. You know, I can take a little bit of them if they're blended in, but something about this scent is like, yes, that is my flavor of floral that I like. So this one is really, really nice. However, it is not my all-time favorite scent. That, of course, has to go to Danbury Shortbread. You guys, when I opened this one up and smelt it for the first time, I literally cursed out loud because I couldn't believe how delicious this smelled. My breath was taken away at how delicious this one is. Oh my gosh, every time I smell this, it's like I forget what it smells like, and it's like smelling it for the first time ever. I want to smell like this for my entire life. I'm gonna have to like go buy everything they have in the scent. This one is sweet, gourmand, sugary, deliciousness. The notes is whipped vanilla, almond, and sugar crystals. Now this one just smells like a sugary glazed almond scone. This is a really, really big claim, but this is my favorite scent Bath & Body Works has ever come out with in the history of the world. And if they don't make this permanent, I am going to die. Like, I'm actually going to die. I just want to sit here and smell this for the rest of my life. And this is so strong, cold. I can only imagine what the hot throw of this is going to be like. I'm probably gonna have to stock up on this because if they don't keep this around for a while, I will die. If you have not smelled any of these, go to your nearest mall, go to your nearest Bath & Body Works store. You have to smell this. If you like sugary, sweet, gourmandy kind of scents, please go smell this because it is the best thing in the world. So that is everything that I got from the Bridgerton collection. Like I said, you guys, I know I'm kind of late to the party. These have been out for several weeks now, but like I said, it pays off because I got all of the candles for $12.95 a piece when these are typically, what are they, $29.95. You guys, that is so expensive. I would have spent $150 on the candles alone had I bought these full price. So I'm so glad that I decided to wait and got these on their Easter sale. I'm absolutely in love with every single one of these scents, which I feel like you can't really say that too often. And I am just so happy with this collection. They did such a wonderful job. The artwork of this is beautiful. The scents are wonderful. I feel like they just chef's kiss to whoever developed these products, because you guys, you knew what you were doing. All right, I will shut up now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.